Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can find friends on Facebook by location. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on the search icon in the top right, and then you need to search in the top people you may know, like I am doing. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on people. Once you click on people, you simply need to click on the search or you can filter icon in the top right and click on city and select any city according to your choice. So I'm going to select Delhi, India, and click on show results. So these are the people from Delhi, India. So this is a process by which you can find friends on Facebook by location. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.